I want to pick up on Nicole's point on agent ops, agent operations. Agent ops sounds much cooler. It sounds like we're really doing something dangerous in our line of work. Uh, you know, Joe, you and I were in this same conversation. Global CPG out of the UK, early in the dialogue. And there's sort of two parts to this. Having a conversation, getting a client excited about the possibilities of enterprise use cases powered by what agents can do work that you're doing today, do work that you wish you could do work that maybe you haven't thought of, and the value that that can be both in terms of efficiency, maybe cost takeout, and maybe revenue lift. But that was sort of part A to the conversation, so we can all get excited about it. Part B to that conversation is you are bringing in something new. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's effectively a digital employee. It's not replacing an employee. It's not a one for one. We're nowhere near that right now, but you're bringing in sort of a new style of how digital work gets done. And someone needs to supervise it. Someone needs to own it. Someone needs to check on that employee. Someone needs to own the work getting done correctly. And Joey, it's exactly what you said before. It's a combination of skills. It's some IT skills. It's some deep business skills about what you're trying to do. It's some AI skills. And I think that we both collectively said to that company at the time in that discussion, either you're going to have to do this, you're going to have to pay someone else to do it, or we'll do it. You're going to pay us to do it, but it's got to be done. And because it is not a set it and forget it kind of activity for sure. And it evolves over time.
And that honestly goes back to the easy button thing. People think, oh, I hire this agent or I build this agent and I set it off and then I move on and it goes and does this magical amount of work. And will that happen? Like I probably in the world of AI, I don't think anything won't happen anymore, but it's not happening right now. And I think again, it goes back to we don't have the skills to do that. And in an IT world, it's the traditional IT mindset is build it and release it and move on and doesn't exist here. And that's where a lot of people then start to chalk it up as well. It's too hard. So maybe it's just we're too early. But absolutely, these skills exist. Companies like Answer Rocket exist to create agents and continuously make them better until that technology catches up where it can sort of govern itself and start to do these things on its own. Well, there's a future probably where that lives. I bet Mike Finley could talk about that for hours on a podcast. But right now it's not. And hard does not mean failure. Hard just means there's work to do. And there's work that not a lot of people know how to do. And that's why firms like ours are seeing a lot of success.